In the last third of the night, the Prophet Muhammad said that Allah descends to the lowest heaven during this time, and making dua at this time is highly regarded. During the prostration in prayer, the moment of prostration is considered a time when supplications are more likely to be answered. Between the adhan call to prayer and second call to commence prayer, it is believed that this period is particularly auspicious for dua. Friday afternoons, specifically during the last hour, before sunset on Fridays, it is encouraged to make dua as it holds great significance in Islam. While fasting during the holy month of Ramadan or on other voluntary fasts, making dua while in a state of fasting is considered favorable. During the rain, it is believed that during rainfall, Allah's mercy is abundant, making it an opportune time to raise your hands and make dua. When concluding recitation of the Quran, after completing the recitation of the Quran, it is customary to make dua, seeking Allah's blessings and guidance. In the state of sujud, prostration, while in the position of prostration during prayer, one can spend additional time in dua. At the Kaaba in Mecca, when visiting the Kaaba or being in its vicinity, Muslims often engage in heartfelt dua. In the last moments before breaking the fast, just before iftar breaking the fast during Ramadan, Muslims are encouraged to make sincere dua. In the middle of the night, rising from sleep and engaging in dua during the depths of the night is highly recommended. On the day of Arafah, this is a significant day during the annual Hajj pilgrimage, and making dua on this day is regarded as highly rewarding. During the month of Ramadan, as the month of fasting and worship, Ramadan is a time when Muslims strive to increase their supplications. On the day of Jumu'ah Friday is considered a blessed day, and Muslims are encouraged to make dua during this time. In times of distress or calamity, whenever one faces hardship or difficulty, it is recommended to turn to Allah and make heartfelt dua, seeking relief and assistance.